Okay, hello. This is the tutorial video for the 5Gyres Science Research Hub. This hub is a resource for those who are new to understanding the plastic pollution research out there today, or for those who just want to dive deeper. And in this hub, we've collected what we believe are the studies that are most relevant to understanding the problem. So typically, if you were to want to learn something about plastic pollution research, you would probably type up the topic in Google, right? So let's try microplastics, for example. Searching in Google, we get over 1.7 million results, and we don't know which links are true scientific facts or articles or media. A lot of work to filter through here to understand what's relevant. If you search in Google Scholar, which is a much better search engine, you will get all the studies, research articles done on microplastics. However, you still have 7,7400 results to look through. And even if you know the region, let's pick the Atlantic, for example, where you're trying to study or trying to learn more about, you still have 3,000 results to filter through. So it doesn't really give you an idea of what's the most relevant or what is the most important that you should read up on if you're just catching up or wanting to get a general overview. So let's do this in our hub. We're going to do the exact same thing in our hub. We're going to scroll down here to the publications, and we're going to search by keyword, which are the keywords we've selected, which is microplastics. This gives you all the microplastic studies on the hub that have the word microplastics in them or that involve them. And let's filter by region. So here we have North Atlantic. So we have just a few selections of microplastic research papers in the North Atlantic, really helping you narrow in and just read a few articles that are relevant to the topic. And note that for each publication that we have here in the hub, we have the author date and year, then the direct link, and here we've written a short abstract, a simplified abstract, helping you better understand the terminology that are sometimes in scientific abstracts. So hopefully that works for you. Currently we have 220 studies in the hub, and we will be adding more on a weekly basis, so stay tuned. And if you just click here on the direct link of the paper, it brings you to the page, but you might be disappointed to find out that some of these links are unfortunately paid subscription access only. Unless you have a university account or an email or a VPN, then you can visualize the article directly, and unfortunately that's just how scientific articles are shared. So we can't release that for you, but we can give you all access on our hub to all the 5Gyres studies, for example. So that is that, and I wanted to point out another thing. If you click in the region, we've created a category or a drop-down option for not region specific. So that just means these are publications that weren't tied to any region whatsoever. They may have been done in a lab, or they are policy documents or reports on solutions that are not necessarily global. They're just talking on a general subject. And if you would like to dive even deeper into our hub, and you have to scroll down and to the end of the page, and you'll find a series of policy briefs with these icons here. This is the Why Should We Ban series, and we first started with polystyrene. So all you have to do is click on the icon, and below you'll have a PDF link on why we should ban polystyrene today, and you're able to download it. So you can reach this hub by visiting, here's the link again, 5gyres.org /science research hub up here, or you can just go to our main page and go to the front of the page and scroll down. You will find the Science to Solutions hub right up here. And if you have any comments, questions, or feedback for us, please reach out to info@5gyres.org. And I hope this hub is a useful resource for you when you're navigating plastic pollution research. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.